Now's a great time to build a brand new Bloomfield home in one of the fastest growing areas of the Metroplex. Welcome to Liberty, a master planned community in the heart of Melissa, offering small town charm without sacrificing convenience. Located just off Highway 121, you have quick access to Highway 75 and the George Bush Tollway, letting you get into McKinney, Plano, and Frisco within minutes. Bloomfield is offering its Classic Series homes, ranging from 2,000 to over 4,200 square feet. Each has the opportunity to personalize the floor plan to fit your needs. Here at Liberty, we're featuring the Bellflower 4 and the Springcrest 2 model homes, two of our most popular and most versatile designs. The Bellflower is a 2-story home with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, formal dining room, and a secondary primary suite with its own full bathroom. Upstairs, you have the option of a game room and a separate media room. The Springcrest can be built with up to 6 bedrooms and almost 3,700 square feet and can allow 2 media rooms. And because our design centers are right on site in our communities, you can easily select the materials and styles that you want for your dream home. Residents love Liberty because of all the built-in amenities, including a large resort-style pool with clubhouse and splash pad, sports pavilion, and spacious ball fields, as well as a playground and trails. You can even head over and fish in one of the 2 catch and release ponds. And kids here can take advantage of schools in the highly regarded Melissa ISD, with Harry McKillop Elementary School located right in the community. Come check out our model homes here in Liberty and make your dreams come true.